About globalization and international business. 1. Globalization refers to the increasing interconnectedness and interdependence of economies and societies across national borders, resulting in the free flow of goods, services, capital, and information. 2. International business involves the commercial transactions and activities between businesses and individuals in different countries, encompassing international trade, investment, and collaboration. 3. Multinational corporations, MNCs, play a significant role in globalization, establishing operations and conducting business activities in multiple countries to leverage global resources and markets. 4. Global supply chains have become integral to international business, with companies sourcing materials, components, and services from different countries to optimize costs and access specialized expertise. 5. Technological advancements, particularly in communication and transportation, have facilitated the rapid expansion of international business by reducing barriers and enabling real-time global connectivity. 6. Trade liberalization and the establishment of international trade agreements, such as the World Trade Organization, WTO, have promoted the growth of international business by reducing tariffs and trade barriers. 7. International business requires a deep understanding of diverse cultures, legal systems, and business practices to effectively navigate cross-border transactions and establish successful relationships. 8. Currency exchange rates play a crucial role in international business, affecting competitiveness, pricing, and profitability, and requiring effective currency risk management strategies. 9. Political and regulatory factors significantly influence international business, with varying government policies and regulations impacting market access, trade flows, and business operations. 10. International business offers opportunities for market expansion, allowing companies to tap into new customer bases, gain access to emerging markets, and diversify their revenue streams. 11. International business exposes companies to a wider range of risks, including political instability, economic volatility, legal complexities, and cultural differences, requiring robust risk management strategies. 12. Global competition intensifies in international business, as companies from different countries compete for market share, driving innovation, quality improvements, and cost optimization. 13. Intellectual property rights protection is crucial in international business to safeguard innovations, technology, and brand assets from unauthorized use or infringement in different jurisdictions. 14. Cross-cultural communication and negotiation skills are essential in international business to bridge cultural differences, build trust, and establish effective business relationships. 15. International business contributes to economic growth and development by creating job opportunities, transferring knowledge and technology, and stimulating investment and innovation. 16. Sustainability and corporate social responsibility are increasingly important considerations in international business, with stakeholders expecting companies to operate ethically and contribute to social and environmental well-being. 17. Market entry strategies in international business vary based on factors such as market size, growth potential, competitive landscape, and regulatory environment, with options including exporting, licensing, joint ventures, and foreign direct investment.